So now I will show you the my video. So here it is, the can see this is the uh, can see the causes. It may be a pupil less than 5 millimeter, and you can use the available options are there when there is a small pupil. Now here the simple way to handle the small pupil, I'm showing a cataract, and this is the, you can see this is the simple way. Here the synechia are there all over, so I'm making this synechia, and these synechias are broken. You can see this is just a needle, that is bent needle I'm using by making it a cystitome, and you can see just where I'm catching away from the lens and taking away this synechia, and I have broken the synechia, and the then the capsular rhexis is done. As the synechia were there, so automatically it was a stained capsule, and the rhexis were done. After the rhexis, the can see the hydrodissection properly, and then the you can see the trains. The two pieces are made, the separation of the nucleus in two halves, and then you will see the in the center. Only thing is, whenever in such cases you have to operate, so here whenever you are doing here, you will have to use the less you can see the whenever you are using the uh, vacuum, you are using less, so that iris will not get entangled here. And again the
Can
can see the
everybody see?
another pressure, you can hear the half of the nucleus is again removed. And I think the though it was a very small pupil, and I'm completing the complete cataract, though it was a harder cataract, without touching the any iris anywhere. So it used the, now this is surrounded by the different challenges in the world. You will see this is another cataract that I'm doing, and you will see the rhexis is done by this uh, forceps, and you will see the cataract. The cataract is rolling here and there, because the see here again, and this rolling cataract we will see here. Uh, the cataract shows here. You can see that there are also the epinucleus coming from behind, and once you see, this was the traumatic cataract what I was doing here, and I was trying to remove this cataract, and you will see the cataract as moving. And again, I was trying to remove by phacoemulsification. And once I was doing, you can see there is a rupture. And once there is a rupture, then none other than only one person. Once you see the rent, and the person who comes to your memory is Amar Agarwal. And see again, the lens is uh, uh, the total lens is brought in the anterior chamber, and then there is a scaffold of the lens. Lens is implanted, and this inside this, and after the implantation of the lens, we'll see this, and the cataract is brought on the lens, and once this cataract is supported by the scaffold, and then now whatever it may be, a dangling cataract, any cataract, it is supported from behind by the lens, we can do it. And this phacoemulsification is possible only just because of one innovation of the Amar. And after this, you will see the vitrectomy, and you can see complete cleaning is done by the vitrectomy, and you can see the lens is in the bag. You can see the anterior capsule, and behind that lens is implanted, and that ends the my this one. And now I will request Srinivas Joshi to go ahead.